that only seems to be mounting for Arvind Kejriwal, and the other one is of the rebellion that happened within his party. One of those rebel MPs, Vikramjit Singh Sahani, has now hit back after being tagged out to be a traitor or a gaddar by Team Kejriwal, and we had this exclusive conversation with him in which he has accepted that the party leaders felt heard and sidelined within the party, confirming that there were key meetings that happened with Arvind Kejriwal. However, things did not work out.
This all started with the architect of AAP in Punjab, Sandeep Pathak and Raghav Chadha, especially Sandeep Pathak, who was very much involved at the grassroots level in selecting the candidates, giving the tickets, and then we had a thumping sort of majority of 94 MLAs. But then after Swati Maliwal debacle, whatever happened, then these two gentlemen, MPs, Sandeep Pathak especially, was so frustrated that he said, now I don't know what wrong I have done and why I have been sidelined. And Raghav Chadha also was moved out of Punjab. That was the start. And then he also took a bit backseat because you get sort of disillusioned and dissatisfied, demotivated.
Well, this is something that has been talked about by all of the rebel MPs here, because that last 1 week alone, dramatic changes and shifts that have now happened within the Aam Aadmi Party. Because now what is being said and where, and when it was exactly planned, it is being said that it was on the 19th of April. So that was approximately a Sunday. 5 days later, on the 24th of April is when that the press briefing happened where Sandeep Pathak, Raghav Chadha and Ashok Mittal were present. And however, it is being said that the meetings also happened before this press briefing of the announcement that was made with the merger with the BJP, that Ashok Mittal met Arvind Kejriwal, informed him about his exit. Kejriwal then also met and summoned Vikramjit Singh Sahani and Harbhajan Singh. However, it is being said that Vikramjit Sahani, in the meantime, concealed and denied that he doesn't have any idea about what's going on. But eventually, it has come across as a dhakka, as a setback to Arvind Kejriwal, as just not one or two, 7 of the MPs have decided to desert him and join the BJP. And this is coming across as far as the developments are concerned, because ever since Friday announcement came, today now being a Monday, 7 of the Aam Aadmi Party MPs who have left the party to join the BJP, which was its main rival. And while the Aam Aadmi Party has called this to be Operation Couple or Operation Lotus in full swing, now as far as the AAP MPs, once who were part of the Aam Aadmi Party right from the beginning, and that is Raghav Chadha, he says that we are not the ones who are traitors. You did not treat it right. And again, he seems to repeating the line that I'm a good man. I've been working hard for the party, but I was just in the wrong party.
The biggest reason for this is that the purpose of forming the Aam Aadmi Party, which was shown by Arvind Kejriwal on TV channels or on social media, was totally different. And the purpose he was now doing was totally different. What he said was that I do not want security, I do not want a big house, I do not want to go and move in big cars. My only purpose is to serve the nation. But it turned out to be otherwise around. Now his only purpose is to collect money, money, money and money. So that is the reason that everybody is leaving him. It is not just about the 7 Rajya Sabha MPs. Most of his party, who has formed these parties, had left Aam Aadmi Party, and in coming days, so many more will left it.
That is Manjinder Singh Sirsa not denying that there is a possibility of other AAP leaders also to jump ship. But let's talk about as far as the election